Well, we still got a little bit of snow, so I won't be able to get too many of my projects out to work on for a while. But like the Packard is stuck there, the 36 truck is stuck, the 79 Chevy Wrecker plow truck, though that's been out all winter. I just took the battery out. Monte Carlo started up fine the other day. I got to take it out front and wash it. Got a guy coming to look at it tomorrow. Wants to buy it, I guess. And here, this poor old Mustang has been sitting for, I don't know, a good 4 months anyway. Uh-oh, if I got the virus. Okay, so we'll take that off and reveal this lovely Mustang that I don't want to run this over. Okay, my antenna, we'll worry about that later. There. Which way does it go? This way. And positive cable. Okay, I haven't got too much miles on this engine. I had a sprung a leak last year, and oil was coming out of the front and building up down in here. It's only water this year. And so I figured eventually I'll get that intake off and change the gasket. But when I did that, I got carried away and I pulled out the engine, changed the cam, changed the heads, put on a new set of heads with hardened valve seats, and I put in a new clutch, and I drove it about 4.5 miles last year after that, and then I put it out here and parked it. So we'll see if it still runs after all these years. Hey, there's my WD-40. Okay, let's get in. Yeah, I gotta wear this camera on my head. Got a strap on, and my cameraman Richard is social distancing himself from me, I guess. Probably should have done this before I put the camera. Oh well. I found out it's not going to start after 4 long months of sitting. Well, I have a secret weapon over here that'll start any car. It's called gasoline. There's not much in there. This camera's getting heavy. These pretzels are making me thirsty. Okay. There. I can do the cheat. Never win that way. I should have took it off and squirted the carburetor, but we'll let it run downhill and see how that works. Oh yeah, the clutch. Well, it's not gonna happen for me. What a waste of time. Waste of video time. Because probably gonna run out before I get to go for a ride. There we go. That'll do it. Clutch. Key. Uh-oh. She's idled up a little high. Oh, she heard me. I idled it right down to 0. I'll put the air filter on later, and I'll wash it later. And, right now. I guess it's running. Damn it. Damn it. Uh-oh. Humbug. Well, that's the end of it. I gotta walk home.